Hello again, and today I'm gonna show you the Superman's car repair. See, that's nice car, and yes, you just need repair this car, and that's not much money you spend for that repair. Okay, that is metallic. You for this formula right, you buy it, and then you got secondary color and blue metallic, and you see you change the blue one. See sexy. Okay, and then you can buy the wheels, lowrider and dollar. Here it's my tires or this classic road. What you see it's beautifuler. I choose this dollar, and yes, then your wheel color is slate blue. You see, so sexy. And then relaxers purchase custom tires and bulletproof tires and purchase the blue ones or purple ones. I think it's purple ones is beautifuler than blue ones. This, yes, that I show you what is Superman's car repair. Yeah, see, so sexy. Please subscribe for my channel and please press the like button for me. Okay, goodbye.